Are you looking to increase the value of your home without spending a fortune? We'll explore simple yet effective ways to boost your home's value, making it more attractive to potential buyers or enhancing your living space.
First up, the heart of every home, the kitchen. A minor kitchen upgrade can make a big difference. Consider updating cabinet hardware, refreshing the paint, or even replacing countertops with more modern materials like quartz or granite.
These changes not only improve functionality, but also add significant appeal to potential buyers.
Next, let's step outside.
A well-maintained garden can dramatically improve curb appeal.
Trim overgrown bushes, plant vibrant flowers, and maintain a lush green lawn.
These simple steps can make a lasting impression on anyone driving by or visiting your home.
Remember, first impressions count. Now, let's talk about paint. A fresh coat of paint can breathe new life into any room.
Stick to neutral tones for a timeless appeal, or add a splash of color to create a focal point.
It's amazing how a simple change like this can make your home feel more modern and well maintained.
Moving on to the garage.
Often overlooked, yet it can be a game changer.
Consider adding storage solutions, upgrading the garage door, or even converting it into a functional space like a workshop or home gym. A well-organized garage not only adds value, but also improves daily functionality.
Lastly, let's not forget the bathroom. A modern bathroom can be a major selling point.
Update fixtures, replace old tiles, and consider adding energy-efficient features like LED lighting or water-saving taps. With these upgrades, you're not just improving your home's value,
You're enhancing your everyday living experience.
Whether you're preparing to sell or simply investing in your home's future, these simple upgrades can make a world of difference. Start transforming your space today and see the value it brings tomorrow.